guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. So you guys can see I am in middle of a crazy snowstorm. We are supposed to get a lot of snow. It is supposed to be Arctic cold, which it already is, and I couldn't be more excited. Already done all the storm prep that I have to. I have drinking water, I have some extra water for washing hands, etc. I pre-made some food, but then I also have all my batteries charged, some portable lights, some string lights, some portable phone chargers. I have some candles, I have some books, I have some board games. I fueled up the car, all the shovels, all the ice melt, of course the pet-friendly kind, and I am ready to go. As far as outfit of the day goes, I'm actually wearing 3 different pairs of thermal layers at the bottom and 4 different ones on top. As far as jacket goes, I'm wearing my super warm cozy Nakatano jacket, a super fluffy headband that I got somewhere in New York City. So I don't know what brand it is. It was just one of those cute little boutiques, and I'm wearing my YSL sunglasses. As far as shoes go, I'm wearing my North Face boots, which are the absolute best boots when it comes to crazy winter weather. And I think this kind of weather absolutely puts all kinds of winter gear to test. So for the rest of the day, the plan is I'm currently out on a nice little snow walk because I absolutely love the snow and the cold, especially if you really bundle up. It is absolutely enjoyable. So we are going to continue our beautiful snow walk, and then I'm gonna head home, and I wanted to make some fresh veggie soup, bake some cookies, get cozy, watch some movies, I have some card games out, I have some books out. It should be a very cozy, relaxing Sunday. And tomorrow is going to be a snow day, so I'm probably gonna be up way late because there is a lot of snow clearing to do as well. The main parts are thankfully gonna get cleared by someone else. However, there are some smaller areas like the balconies and all that I do have to take care of. If you are getting a lot of snow, it's always important to consider that when it comes to the weight that will be added to your home. So with all that being said, I am ready to continue this absolutely beautiful walk, and then I would love to go home and make some soup, make some cookies, get cozy, and get snowed in. So let's go. Little path that you guys can see is actually me trying to shovel the snow right now, but it is so much, and it is so powdery, but actually pretty heavy because the amount is crazy. Coming down really hard in very intense bands. It looks absolutely crazy out here. I'm currently trying to shovel a little bit of a path, but I don't know if I can. But I will keep on trying, and I will update you guys in a little bit. I am absolutely out of breath, and as you guys can see, I had to shovel this tiny path about 4 to 5 times to get really rid of all the snow. And it started snowing about maybe 3 hours ago, and it is insane how much snow is already on the ground. I can't wait to see how much we're gonna have as a total, but this is coming down, and it is coming down really hard. And because the snow is so unbelievably powdery and light, it's all sticking to the ground, and it is so cold, so it's not going anywhere. It is really crazy. I'm gonna continue just literally shoveling a tiny path, and I won't be outside for longer than 20 minutes because it is really cold. Trying to dig my way out. Let me show you guys where I dug out already. I've already cleared out all of that. You guys can see this is the snowbank, and it is probably up to my knees at this point. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely crazy. I absolutely love the way it sounds when you're walking in snow. Oh my goodness, it is getting deeper and deeper. Knee deep in snow right now. And it is really getting cold. I can't wait to get home. Alrighty guys, I just stepped back outside so we can measure how much snow there is, and it is absolutely crazy. I am legit knee deep in snow. It is absolutely crazy and I love it. So let's see how much snow we got. I have the ruler here, so let me find a deep spot. So it looks like we have 9 inches and about 24.5 centimeters, which is absolutely crazy. Did try to clear some of it by hand, but I must honestly tell you guys, look at my tracks. I must honestly tell you guys, I did give up on it because it was so hard. I'm gonna probably have the landscape company plow it with the truck. It is just way too hard to do. Really cold. I am absolutely out of breath. I'm apologizing, but look how absolutely beautiful that looks. I really love the snow. It is crazy, but I really love it. Now, a couple of hours later, these were the tracks from earlier of us measuring how much snow had fallen. As you guys can see, it's almost all snowed in. I'm currently trying to clear a little poop path for my dog. You guys see the storm. It's just dragging all the snow everywhere, and it is still coming down. I can't wait to get the ruler and we can check back in to see how much snow we've gotten in the meantime. You guys can see it, but it is glittering. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna try to clear a little bit of a path right now so my dog can use the bathroom because the snow is starting to get taller than she is. So I am about to clear the path. I'm trying to right now, not really successfully. I did clear a little bit here, but I don't know if you can call that clearing. So I'm gonna continue trying to clear this little path now, and then let's get the ruler and see how much snow has fallen. I am braving the storm out here with my dog. My dog had to use the bathroom very urgently, and she just did, which is funny because the snow was actually taller than she is, so she was buried in the snow. Alrighty, so let's see how many inches we have gotten so far. Absolutely crazy. I can't believe how fast it is coming down. We were literally clearing this path about 2 hours ago, and I just cleared it again, and I bet when I wake up in the morning, it's already gonna be disappearing. Alrighty, I'm gonna head back inside now and get absolutely cozy and super warm. This is literally on the railing of my balcony, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Oh my goodness. This all came down within like 4 to 5 hours. This is crazy. We still have about 24 hours to go. So I can't wait to see how this will look afterwards. Alrighty guys, it is now a couple of hours later. Dinner was super delicious. The snow is coming down and we are getting snowed in. The game is currently on, so I figured now is the perfect time for me to catch up on a little bit of reading. After this, I'm probably gonna go make some snacks, put on a movie, get super cozy, and get snowed in. That being said, I'll probably catch back in with you guys tomorrow. Good night! My goodness, guys, look at that. This is legit the area that I cleaned up a few hours ago and is already a few inches back. At this point, I'm pretty sure we have at least a total of 20 inches. Let's go check it out. It is absolutely crazy. I have snowbanks all over my property that are way taller than I am. I don't think I've ever seen this amount of snow off the mountains. This is really, really unbelievably cool. Absolutely no end in sight. It just keeps getting more and more. This is absolutely insane. Look at these beautiful star-shaped snowflakes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys, this is absolutely crazy. We definitely got about 20 inches at least. It is up to my knees. It is absolutely crazy. Alrighty, hey guys, it is now a couple of days later. It is now actually a Wednesday afternoon. I just came out on a snow walk and figured it's a great time to tune back in with you guys. So Monday was all about clearing up the snow. I didn't do much vlogging. There was so much going on. It is an insane amount of snow. It is Arctic cold. I'm actually freezing right now, so I'm going to keep this very, very short. However, I did unfortunately hurt my arm on Monday while I was clearing some snow, so I did take a little bit of a break yesterday to recover. So today I am back out and about and enjoying the snow. Thank you guys so much for spending the snow days with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely did. Really currently looks like you live in Iceland or somewhere where it's really, really cold, really Arctic and covered in snow. I couldn't be happier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for spending some snow days with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Until then, take care. Love you. Bye.